when I started, I had just been in some conversations with some parents of students that I had. And the one dad was actually a basketball coach. And I was sharing with him that I had just got certified in some of my IDs. He's like, oh my gosh, he's like, this would be actually awesome for some of my players. He's like, would you be interested in doing it like in a sports kind of venue? And I said, oh, my sports are right up my alley. I coached all my kids. I love coaching. I coach baseball. I've coached flag football. I've coached basketball. So I said, "Oh, this would be perfect." And so I did. I started meeting with a group of 3 kids from his team, and we just did it in a library. And I did a small group, and I would do some of the lessons from the program. And he came back to me about two months later, and he said, "Man," he said, "this is really really helping." He goes, "I had one kid who would get really really animated on the court. He'd make one mistake on the court, and then he would shut down, and then that would take him out of his game." He goes, he's not doing that as frequently anymore. He's staying more in the game. He's staying more within himself. He's letting some of those things slide by, and he's handling it much differently than he had done before."